I'm born in the vineyards, definitely. Yeah? I'm a countryside guy. I'm not a city guy, not at all. I need to touch earth. My body needs it, so gardening is helping me to be more relaxed and to be more powerful and find a solution. I'm Philippe Tricot. I'm the technical support manager for the southern countries, South Europe, America, Africa, Near East, Middle East and India. I'm helping customers before the sales and after the sales. In the training center, I'm able to do installation demos, showing installers how to perform installation of Forbo products. Playing with the different structure of the product, you can combine a beautiful wood aspect with a textile comfort visual appearance. Thanks to the huge offer of Allura collection, we're able to answer to the requirements of the project manager, and it's giving definitely excellent ambience in project. And then we are very, very happy.